Hey everybody, Manuela here. Happy Sunday. Wanted to do this video providing another free way for you to earn some money. As you know, I love to provide, different value and different content that will allow you to, choose the best opportunity for you based upon your budget. We all know that things cost money. With any business, you're going to have some kind of investment. But with this is not really a business opportunity. This is just a way you can earn free money. I have several other ways, and they're all on my YouTube channel. But this one is particular to a basically it's a prepaid debit card. It's called Simple. And what it is anyone can get this. There's no credit checks. They have their own affiliated bank. So if you do struggle with credit issues where you can't open a bank account, this is a good card to have. There's no, crazy fees like some of the other prepaid cards have, where you will spend on the card and then there's an additional dollar transaction fee. Like, there's none of that with this card. Now, if you do use the ATM, any ATM that is not affiliated with this bank, you would have the normal fees associated like with any regular bank where you go to, any other ATMs that they don't do business with. Okay. So that's just something you'll have to deal with. But I like this card because it does allow for goal tracking. If you're somebody who likes to budget, if you're someone who likes to kind of know where your money is going in general, if you like to set goals, maybe you want to go on a vacation or you want to have money for Christmas, this card will allow you to do that, and it allocates different categories for your spending. So it has some great features and allows you to track your spending in a nice way. So there's nothing. Let's just go through the main screen of this. Let's see. So we're going to go through and I'll just walk you through a little bit of the main screen and some of the highlights of the card. So it does say here, it's a simple card. It's a simple way to track your goals. I kind of went over this, but setting your goals to save automatically. It allows you to allocate money, and it'll tell you like how much you're going to have after you spend your monthly bills. You have your electric bill, your student loans, your rent. This is an example, dog food, what other, things that you have to pay, and how much you're going to have left. How much am I going to need to get to my goal for my vacation? So it's a nice card without all that extra fluff. And some people don't really trust bank accounts. They don't really trust your traditional bank with your money. This is just an alternative to that. And so the way it works is, like I said, there's no fees with this except for if you use a non-affiliated ATM. Okay. So the way this works on the free money aspect of it is when you sign up, for instance, if you signed up under me, I refer you to my link. You would basically sign up for the card. You would go here, you would do this, apply now, put in some of your information, standard information. Once you do that, it will tell you, your card is going to arrive between 7 to 10 days. Once you get your card, you want to activate it. It's going to have like one of those stickers on it where you'll activate the card. You can do it online. You can do it online or call a number. Once you activate it, and you actually are going to have to load funds on it, whether that be through direct deposit, and you can set up direct deposit with it, or cash, however you wish to do it. I would think that direct deposit's the quickest way to do it. Or you can transfer funds from if you have other bank accounts, you can transfer funds from those accounts onto it. So either way, there's so many ways to do it. So once you do that and then you spend, you're going to have to spend. Once you do that, you'll get 20 and I will get 20. So the same will go when you rinse and repeat this process. When you refer other people to the card and they do the same steps, the same goes for you. They'll get 20, you'll get 20. Now, this is not a recurring 20, guys. It's only when it's for your new people only. When they do it one time and they activate and they spend on it, that's when you'll get the $20. So you're going to want to refer more than one or two people. I mean, obviously that's what it's about. But the great thing about this is, guys, if you're already an affiliate marketer, you have a list that you could send this to. I use my list, my email list, to send this kind of stuff to. I market on my Facebook page, you know. There's so many creative ways you can do this and get people to come to it instead of bothering family and friends like that. So it's easy. So many people don't know. There's just so many ways to market. If you have friends, you can market this, you know. It's just easy and a simple way to make money. So don't let free, when you think of free, oh, it's going to be too hard, whatever. No, it's not. Just send your referral link to somebody, friends on your email list, people on your Facebook page, YouTube videos, different ways to market this. All right. So that's all I wanted to share. Before I do go, I will show you what the actual card looks like. Let me stop sharing right now. So the card will look like this. As you can see, that simple. And I think it's a cool looking card. It's got the chip and the logos there. And I just like it. I like it a lot. I have several other prepaid cards, but this one actually works the best for me. Again, no fees when it comes to using the card and getting the extra dollar fee or whatever. So guys, that's all I wanted to say in this video. Go ahead and comment below, like, share. If you have any questions about it, I will leave the link below the video so you guys can check it out. And you have a great Sunday. I'll see you in the next video, guys.